Okay, in this video, we are going to be looking at rearranging expressions using logarithms. So to start off with, let's look at this example. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Okay, so one way in which we can rewrite this is by using our laws of logarithms. So 2 to the power of 3 is an exponential. So what we're going to say is this: 3, i.e. the power, is equal to log to the base 2 of 8. So what that's saying is, to get from 2 to 8, we must raise the number 2 to the power of 3. Okay, that's what that's saying there. Let's look at another example. So let's look at 5 to the power of 4 equals 625. Okay, so the way in which we would rearrange this is like this. We'd say 4, again the power, is equal to log to the base 5 of 625. Okay, so again the base 5 is where we start, and we're trying to get to 625. To get from 5 to 625, we have to raise the number 5 to the power of 4. Okay, let's look at a few more examples. Let's look at one that's a little bit more complicated looking. Let's say 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 over 100. So again, the same thing. We take the power, minus 2, and we say that's equal to log to the base 10 of 1 over 100. So again, the question, what power do we raise 10 to get 1 over 100? Well, that's minus 2. Okay. Right, let's look at another one which looks a little bit more complex. So let's look at 4 to the power of x, which equals 12. Okay, so 4 to the power of what number is equal to 12? Well, we rearrange this like this. X is the power, and that is equal to log to the base 4 of 12, like that. Okay, and if we wanted to check with our calculators what number that is, we type in log to the base 4 of 12, and to 3 decimal places, x is going to be 1.792. Okay. And finally, let's look at one more example. Let's look at x to the power of 3, which equals 40. Okay. Now remember, we're not solving for x, we're just rewriting it using logarithms. Okay. So what we can say here is 3, i.e. the power, is equal to log to the base x of 40. So again, x to the power of what number is equal to 40? That's what that's telling us. Okay. All right. And let's look at one more. This one is a little more complex, but actually it's not that bad. That's going to be x to the power of 2y is equal to 4,096. Okay, see if you can try this one. Perhaps pause the video and maybe attempt it. Okay, so now we're going to look at it together. Again, we write the power 2y is equal to log to the base x of 4096. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Okay. What I would advise is just looking at some more exponentials, or relook at this video and just really check that you understand that, because this will form the basis of solving some of the basic equations in logarithms. Okay, and that's it.